Hello, welcome to your academy. At your academy today we would be dealing with a play written by Dirk Walcott titled Dream on Monkey Mountain. Dirk Walcott is a St. Lucian writer. He is a poet, a critic and a playwright. Dirk Walcott is a post-colonial writer. He was born in 1930 and he died in 2017. Dirk Walcott, throughout his writing, wrote a lot about the damage caused by the colonial era or caused by the colonization in their respective colonies. He belongs to the Caribbean, and being a Caribbean, he throughout his writing would be dealing with the issues related to the Caribbean society, with the problems that Caribbean, West Indies or St. Lucia would face in post-colonial era. The problem of race, the problem of color, the problem of identity, the psychological problems that the natives of St. Lucia or the natives of Caribbean faced in post-colonial era are some of the major themes or concerns of Dirk Walcott's writings. Dirk Walcott is known for many notable works which he wrote, some of them being Castaway, Dream on a Monkey Mountain, Pantomime, Omeros, and White Egrets. White Egrets was the most recent work written by Dirk Walcott, which was published in 2010. The literary lifespan of Dirk Walcott is of more than 40 years, and in those 40 years he made a significant contribution to the Caribbean literature and at large to the English literature, to the literature written in English. And for all his contributions to the English literature or to the literature in general, he was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 1992. He was also awarded T.S. Eliot Award in 2011. Besides talking about the damage caused by the colonial era in their colonies, another important focus of Dirk Walcott's writing, especially in his poetry, has been the spirituality, and he believed that poetry was never different from spirituality. He once commented that, "I have never separated the writing of poetry from prayer. I have grown up believing it is a vocation, a religious vocation." Dirk Walcott believed that poetry was no different than prayer. Poetry was no different than a religious ceremony. So we find the Methodism, we find the religious references, we find a kind of soul-touching prayers in the spirituality in the writings of Dirk Walcott. Dirk Walcott died in 2017, but he left a great impression, a great mark, a great legacy behind in the form of his works, his poems and his plays. In today's lecture, we would be dealing with one of his plays titled Dream on a Monkey Mountain. Now, this was published in 1970 and titled Dream on Monkey Mountain and Other Plays. Dream on Monkey Mountain became one of the most famous plays written by Dirk Walcott, and it was also produced and broadcasted on NBC, an American TV channel. For this play, the Dream on Monkey Mountain, Dirk Walcott was awarded with the Obie Award for Best Foreign Play. This play, Dream on a Monkey Mountain, is set in the Caribbean island. That was about Dirk Walcott and Dream on a Monkey Mountain, an introduction. In the next section, we will take up the play Dream on Monkey Mountain and will analyze it.